Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here, lesson number 13, Chatgpt, basics, ethical considerations. Before we started, obviously I'm on my website and then you can go to lesson number 13, which is here on the basic. I have AI courses on Chatgpt, and that's going to be lesson 13, L13, lesson 13, and then you have summary of that lesson. And I thought there's going to be a screenshot because I'm supposed to be, but I forget to do so. Anyway, so you will have everything right now, obviously, on this video. And maybe at some point I will provide you with those screenshots from that video. Nevertheless, I will try to skip all the questions, answers, because you can pause the video while I'm doing that, so I don't need to read this slowly or whatever. Nobody is retarded, so you'll understand. And just pause the video. The reason is I'm trying to do this as fast as possible, just simply because I'm doing this like third time, and then simply if the video is like super long, people might think the lesson is super long, but at the end of the day, those lessons are around like 3-5 minutes long, just simply because you're doing this on the tablet or phone, and it's like super fucking straightforward everything, so there's no point to fuck around. Other than that, if you consider to open your own brand for free, you can go and click this banner here that will transfer you to the YT affiliate website, and they will teach you how to basically monetize your passion, but for free to some extent, which means like you can do the website for free and you can obviously do fuckloads of stuff on that website in the WordPress, but you won't have the lessons and support from them. But you will have the same lessons for free on my channel, so you can actually learn a lot by just following my channel, because basically I would provide lessons from YT affiliate. But if we're talking about getting amazing deals and partnerships, you definitely wanna buy premium on YT affiliate, so then you will have access to loads of brands. Well, you name it, any niche you choose, you will have loads of brands. Okay, so with that being said, yada. The Oscar goes to you for not giving a fuck about what other people think. So that's our life's mantra, this channel mantra. And right now, full screen and full lock in. No fucking around. Ethical consideration. Okie dokie. Listen.
Considerations. Welcome to the first lesson of Advanced Prompt Techniques. I am Liam, and today, diving into the ethical considerations you need to keep in mind when using ChatGPT for prompt engineering. Ethical considerations. We'll explore issues of compliance, including fair use, copyright, privacy concerns, and other important but slightly yawn-inducing stuff. Don't worry. I'll try to make it more engaging for you. Why do I need it? You might wonder, why do I need to study this? I also find such topics a bit too dry for my taste. But here's why you do need to know the legal side of using ChatGPT. Imagine navigating a maze blindfolded. That's what using AI feels like without understanding the legal implications. It all started with, once upon a time, a lawyer named, let's say, Alex, decided to use ChatGPT to help with a legal case. Confident in the AI's abilities, Alex thought this was a fool's plan. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you
Blah blah blah
learned or
blah blah
skip
blah
for
blah
now.
blah 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 blah.
That's not fun. You might find this case amusing. Imagine a surgeon using AI to prepare for operations. Same here. As it happened with Alex, we cannot trust AI 100%. So what particularly happened? ChatGPT provided fabricated legal precedents, and the case went downhill faster than a sled in winter. Alex had to explain to the court why he presented false information, leading to professional embarrassment and legal repercussions. Yes, this actually happened. Lesson learned. Verify information your AI provides. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've skipped for now.
Okay, like I said,
Important lesson. Now, you must first learn the side of using any AI tools. Think of it as equipping yourself with a shield before heading into battle. Don't. Well, let's just say you might end up like Alex, trying to explain to a judge why your AI made a terrible compliance in AI use. Compliance might sound like a buzzkill. It's your best friend when using AI tools like Chatgpt. Ensuring compliance means adhering to copyright laws, privacy regulations, and fair use policies. It's like keeping clean. Everyone's watching. It's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned.
basically, you don't need to answer those questions at all. And actually, it's not a bad idea for you as a viewer to listen all content and then go to website and see the questions, because yeah, you have like a lesson in one go. You're listening all the time. So yeah, just listen, guys.
Copyright 1. Let's talk about copyright. Imagine you've created a masterpiece and someone else claims it as their own. Be upset, right? That's what copyright laws are here to prevent. Using AI to generate content, make sure you're not violating someone's hard-earned intellectual property. It's time to put your knowledge into
I
practice.
just realized, why the fuck I even bothered to press that? I can continue. Like, you have those all those questions and answers on the website.
Use. Legal loop. Fair use is like the Swiss Army knife of copyright law. It allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission for specific purposes like commentary, criticism, and education. Don't go thinking use anything and call it fair use. It has its limits. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Now it's time to shut the fuck up and continue. Okay.
Privacy concerns. Privacy is a big deal. Likes their personal data being misused. AI, ensure you're respecting privacy laws like GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. Anonymize personal data and use it responsibly. Data comes great responsibility. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying. Let's get practice. Creating prompts. Always verify the source of the information, respect privacy guidelines, and ensure the content falls under fair use. If it sounds like a lot, that's because it is. But hey, I said being responsible was easy. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying wrapping up. This lesson covered the ethical considerations in prompt engineering, focusing on compliance, fair use, copyright, and privacy concerns. Remember, using AI responsibly isn't just about following rules, it's about maintaining integrity and trust. Steps. Next, we'll delve into advanced techniques for ensuring transparency and accountability in AI-generated content. This will further enhance your ability to use ChatGPT ethically and effectively. Until next time, keep practicing ethical prompt engineering.
Right. On this lesson, I need to copy the screenshots, although yeah, I put it. I a month ago I was doing 3 languages on the website, like Polish, English, and translating to Spanish. But yeah, I just forget to put the screenshots. So yeah, just need to put the screenshots so you will see the proper. You will see the questions and the answers. But I think that's the way to go, because it's still 10 minutes, and normally that lesson you will do in the fucking 5 minutes. So yeah, it's still kind of, when I'm recording, I'm doing that introduction and shit, so it's time consuming, but 10 minutes is much better than fucking 40 or whatever was it. So ethical consideration, then 3 more lessons. So you can just listen the theory, everything is on the website. Thank you much, guys, if somebody was watching a little bit and somebody actually gets some value from it, because at the end of the day, I'm not having anything from this. I'm just genuinely believe like people need that theory, that those basics. Like people need the basics. People don't need the thousands of newses to bombard your head. They just need the simple tools to basically, well, creating your own ideas. And one of these tools is obviously ChatGPT. Okie dokie. So take care, guys. See you soon for on the, what's that going to be? Performance analysis.